Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Desi Do Explorers. Hope you are enjoying our Spain travel series, and if you haven't watched it yet, click on the info link to watch it. Today we have an exciting adventure planned in Tenerife. So let's start. As you have seen in our previous video, we took a ferry from Agate to Tenerife, and here we reached Tenerife Santa Cruz port. From colorful markets to picturesque views of the ocean, this port has it all. After reaching Tenerife, first we collected our luggage and started walking towards the tram station to reach our Airbnb. When we came out of the port, we found a beautiful Christmas market there, so we stopped and explored the same. Beyond the Christmas market, the neighborhood is dotted with charming local shops and restaurants, each with its unique charm. Next, we took a tram to reach our Airbnb, which cost us around 1.5 euros per person. We had booked the next day car on Tenerife, so we used public transport on the first half day in Tenerife to commute. You can either purchase a public transport ticket via vending machine, or you can also use the app to buy it online. Details for the app will be provided in the description box. We have reached our Airbnb. Let's take a quick tour. In the evening, we had planned to explore the Chinese Lantern World, a spectacular light show in Tenerife. So after relaxing for some time, we took a bus and started for the same. We have just arrived at the Chinese Lantern World. The entrance is adorned with vibrant lanterns, creating a preview of the visual feast we are about to experience. Let's step inside and see what awaits us. We had already booked tickets in advance. Details will be provided in the description box. The glow from these lanterns create a surreal ambience. Each display tells a unique story and the craftsmanship is truly breathtaking. addition to the lantern displays, Silent Lantern World also has a beautiful restaurant where you can sit and enjoy snacks with a beautiful ambience. It's not just about admiring the lanterns, some exhibits offer interactive experiences as well. And that concludes our magical evening at Chinese Lantern World. Hope you enjoyed this visual feast as much as we did, and see you in our next video where we will continue our exploration of Tenerife. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures.